Another quick live. We did a Mojito Blue earlier today on our Bleu Royal page. Since we got a lot more requests on different variations of it, we're back on live again on my personal page. Let's see what we can come up with now.
All right, we're gonna make a pitcher of mojito, pomegranate style, with the flavor.
Perfect.
We're gonna need 6 limes. Cut them in quarters.
People, you guys are on live now. Share this, let people know that we're here doing this quick tutorial so they could all join in and have into the fun as well. Guys, this is the artwork that's always on the background of our pictures. How many we got in there?
6. Cut in quarters. That's a lot of lime juice. And we'll leave one
This
on the
guy,
side.
Fabrice and Steve said they like it.
Okay, we're gonna do simple syrup. Simple syrup, we're gonna do about, I'm gonna do half a cup. Again, the simple syrup does not have to be store bought. You can actually make it at home. It's 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water.
Wait, that's it? 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water, then what else?
And you just put it over the stove, let it simmer until the sugar melts.
And that's how you make simple syrup?
Simple syrup.
Oh.
And it's sugar water. You basically, if you want to infuse it, you can infuse it with the fruit. You could do vanilla. You could do a lot with it. And then we're going to do two cups of pomegranate flavored seltzer. But you guys like it sweet, so we're gonna do half a cup.
JR likes it sweet.
No.
We're gonna do half a cup of Sprite. Okay. And usually like a cup of Bleu Royal, but Bleu Royal does not last in this house. So
Might as well just,
The bottoms in.
bottoms up. Cheers to the blue life.
then we're gonna add some pomegranate.
We never
syrup.
out.
We're doing probably like 1/3 of a cup. We're gonna mix. But now I did the mint leaves last only because I didn't want it to be bitter, so I'll infuse it right after in the pitcher because it's gonna sit there. And once it sits and it hits your ice, it's gonna be really refreshing. Put the ice in this cup. Because all the other cups have educated ice in them. Right over. Get yourself a piece of lime. Put it up inside. And
Blue Yachty said, shout out to the mixologists. They'll join us next week.
and there goes your Bentleys.
Oh, wow. Okay. That was quick and easy. Well, I could say that because all I did was watch.
Looks yummy.
You might as well pour one for JR.
Well, JR is on his second cup. He's got educated ice, and we're gonna take this water out.
Yeah, thank you.
And we're gonna give him some fresh ice.
No ice, no ice.
Oh,
No.
excuse me. There you go.
Italian swag says it looks incredible. And that's how quick a picture goes in this house. Too bad Mr. Bleu Royal ain't here. We're gonna drink one in his honor though. That looks like mine right there.
Yeah, usually.
Oh, it's gonna be a good day today.
There we go.
Can't beat it. And just like that, a picture's done. Camille, Haitian Queen said that's a shame. I guess she's mad at the size of my drink. I don't know. All right, fellas. We got King here. The picture's done. Sorry you guys couldn't be here.
Just get me out of here.
Wow. Wow. Blue Yachty. You missed this one, brother. We'll be doing a lot more of these coming soon. They seem to be resonating well with the viewers. Please text 33777. You'll be in our mailing list. We'll also be doing giveaways and prizes through that. We're working on some surprises for you guys as well, as far as being able to purchase Bleu Royal off our website. So stay connected, stay posted. 33777. Send that text out, and you'll be first to know all these things. Thanks for joining in. We're about to enjoy these pomegranate mojito.
It's National Mojito Day.
So I don't know next time you're gonna hear from me, but I know today won't be the day. All right, guys, have a good one. Take care.